how to erase personalized touch recognition data on Samsung keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down, scroll down and click on Samsung Keyboard Setting. After click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down to and click on Reset to Default Settings. After click on Reset to Default Settings, so you will see erase personalized touch recognition data is here. If you want to erase personalized touch recognition data on Samsung keyboard, so click on this option. If you want to erase, so click on erase. After click on erase, you will see erase personalized touch recognition data is erased. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can erase personalized touch recognition data on Samsung keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.